Okay, so we are now on step 7 of learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube. In step 6, we learned how to solve the whole top yellow while still building off of all of our other steps of having the 2 rows of red, orange, green, and blue solved and still having the white. So in step 7, there are a few things to note. In the diagram, there is a difference between this notation and this notation. This notation is referring to the front face, whereas these two notations are referring to the back face. If you notice, the front face on this, or the one that is the 3x3 grid, is being rotated, whereas these, the face at the very back is being rotated like this. So it is important to keep those two notations separate here. This is the hardest step to memorize, so let's give it a try. What you're going to do is you're going to look for a side that has these two blocks being the same color. So if you notice, this is the only side that does that, and what you're going to do is you're just going to line it up so that you have a face that looks like this, where it's almost solved, but you have one center that is not. It's possible for you to do this step and have no faces that look like this, and if that's the case, you'll just have to do this step twice. But since I have one that is set, what you do is you use this face and you turn it completely away from you. So if you notice, my face that was solved like that is completely away. The yellow should be on top or facing up, and white should be facing down, and we are going to do these steps. Right side down, front face right, right side down, back face, turn that twice, right side up. Then in the first one in the bottom row, I go front face to the left, right side down. Now I'm back to back face, which is away from me. Turn that twice, right side down twice. And that is step 7. If you look, you are getting very close to solving the Rubik's Cube. You now have a yellow side solved, a blue side solved, a white side solved, and you have 3 faces that have one missing. This step, once you do it, you could have 4 empty or 4 faces not solved. That would be fine. Step 8 is where you're going to learn how to do that step.